Imagine a world in which the very nation born from the ashes of one of history's most horrific genocides stands accused of the same crime. A shocking twist of fate, isn't it? This is the reality for Israel, created in 1948, the same year the world pledged never again in response to the Holocaust. In the aftermath of World War II, the world united to draft a convention to prevent and punish the crime of genocide, a crime so heinous it's sometimes called the crime of crimes. This convention exists in direct response to what Nazi Germany attempted to do in eliminating the Jewish people. Yet today, Israel faces accusations of genocide at the United Nations highest court. The accuser? South Africa? The stage? The International Court of Justice? The charge? Genocide, in response to Israel's military offensive in Gaza, triggered by murders and atrocities perpetrated by Hamas militants. South Africa's claim is not made lightly. They've asked the court to make 9 urgent orders to protect civilians in Gaza, while the court considers the legal arguments of both sides. The first of these orders calls for Israel to immediately suspend its military operations in and against Gaza. But what exactly is genocide? The 1948 Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide defines it as acts committed with intent to destroy, in whole or in part, a national, ethnical, racial, or religious group. It includes killing, causing serious bodily or mental harm, inflicting conditions meant to bring about the group's physical destruction, preventing births, and forcibly transferring children. South Africa alleges that Israel has committed these acts against Palestinians in Gaza. They claim Israel is causing serious mental and bodily harm, and deliberately inflicting conditions meant to bring about their physical destruction as a group. Israel, however, vehemently disputes these claims, arguing that it is acting in self-defense against what it views as the genocidal threat to its existence posed by Hamas. The key element of genocide is intent, the intent to destroy, in whole or in part, a national, ethnical, racial, or religious group. It's a tough thing to prove. The most important thing is that whatever happens is done with the specific intent to destroy a group, so there's no plausible alternative reason why those crimes have been committed, says Marieke de Hoon, emphasizing the complexity of this case. As we grapple with the weight of these charges and countercharges, it's worth considering, if the accusation of genocide against Israel is upheld, what does this mean for the future of international law and our collective commitment to never again?